Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for GM's 1994 to 2004 S10 and Sonoma. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Jack up the truck and support it with jack stands. Unbolt the transmission from the crossmember and lift it slightly using a jack. Move any brake or fuel lines out of the work area. Step 3. Unbolt the factory transmission crossmember. If bolts are rusted or rounded, cut them out carefully without damaging the crossmember mounts. Step 4. Paint the replacement crossmember before installation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Step 5. Slide the new crossmember into position and align it with the factory mounting holes. Step 6. Install the crossmember using the included M10 hardware. The partially threaded M10 bolts install on the driver's side, and the flange bolts and lock nuts install on the passenger side. All hardware uses a 15mm socket and wrench. Finally, lower the transmission and bolt it back to the crossmember. Reinstall any removed lines or brackets.